Welcome to your beauty awakening, where we uncover hidden secrets that can change your skin, your confidence, and your life. In a world filled with $1,000 creams and invasive procedures, it's easy to feel like youthful, radiant skin is a luxury only a few can afford. But what if I told you the most powerful solution isn't found on a high-end shelf, but in a simple jar that costs less than your daily coffee? Today's remedy is not a trend. It's a forgotten treasure, a time-tested secret used by ancient healers and quietly recommended by modern dermatologists alike. Get ready, because what I'm about to share could completely transform the way you see your skin. It's simple, it's safe, it's incredibly powerful. And yes, it can help reverse the visible signs of aging faster than many expensive treatments you've seen advertised. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another miracle claim? But this isn't magic. It's just nature, harnessed in a way you've probably never been shown before. We're talking about something so accessible, so pure, that it's been overlooked in the mad rush for complex chemical formulas. This secret ingredient has been sitting in plain sight, a humble hero with the power to deeply hydrate, protect, and restore your skin's youthful bounce. It works by creating a protective barrier that locks in moisture, allowing your skin to heal and regenerate itself from within. Forget the confusing labels and the empty promises. The answer is simpler than you ever imagined. So, why does this method work so effectively when countless other products fail? It's because it targets the three root causes of wrinkles and aging skin: moisture loss, skin thinning, and collagen breakdown. Think of your skin like a plump, juicy grape. Over time, due to sun, stress, and environmental factors, it starts to lose its internal moisture and becomes a raisin. The surface shrivels and lines appear. Most moisturizers just sit on top, offering temporary relief. This remedy, however, works differently. It creates a seal, an occlusive layer that stops what dermatologists call transepidermal water loss. This means the precious moisture that's already in your skin stays there. When your skin retains its moisture, the cells plump up, the surface smooths out, and fine lines begin to fade. It's like watering a thirsty flower and watching it spring back to life, its petals unfurling and regaining their vibrant texture. By providing the perfect environment for repair, you're not just masking the problem. You're allowing your skin to restore its own natural vitality. Now, let's talk about what you need. Prepare to be amazed, because this isn't a long, expensive shopping list. You only need 3 simple things, and you likely have them at home right now. First, a high-quality natural petroleum jelly. I'm talking about the pure, triple purified grade, the kind that's been trusted for generations. Second, warm water. That's right, just plain old warm water from your tap. And third, a special skin-activating technique that I'll reveal in just a moment. This is the key that unlocks the full potential of this method. Notice what's not on this list. No harsh chemicals, no complicated machines, no painful injections, and no need to spend a fortune. This is skincare in its purest, most fundamental form. We're getting back to basics to achieve extraordinary results, proving that you don't need a complex routine to achieve healthy, glowing skin. Alright, are you ready for the step-by-step method? This is where the transformation begins. Pay close attention, because every detail matters. First, you're going to start with a clean face. Wash your face gently with warm water. The warmth is important because it helps to open up your pores, making them more receptive to the treatment that follows. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel, but leave it slightly damp. This trace of moisture is key. Next, take a very small amount of the petroleum jelly. I'm talking a pea-sized amount. A little goes a very long way. Now, for step 3, and this is crucial. Don't just slather it on your face. Rub the jelly between your fingertips until it warms up and becomes almost completely transparent and fluid. This changes its texture, making it easier for your skin to tolerate and absorb its benefits without feeling heavy or greasy. Step 4 is all about the application. Using gentle upward strokes, apply the warm jelly to your face. Always move upwards and outwards, from your chin towards your cheeks, from the sides of your nose outwards and across your forehead. Never ever pull your skin downwards. This upward motion works against gravity and helps to encourage a natural lift. This is a secret many dermatologists know, but rarely share. The direction of your application matters. Step 5. Cover the skin in a very thin light layer. You are not trying to create a thick mask. The goal is a barely there, breathable shield. Don't press or rub it in aggressively. Just let it sit lightly on the surface of your slightly damp skin. Finally, step 6. Leave it on overnight. While you sleep, your body is in its peak repair mode. This thin layer acts as a protective cocoon, a natural collagen shield that locks in moisture and creates the perfect environment for your skin to heal, regenerate, and rebuild. You'll wake up to skin that feels unbelievably soft and hydrated. Now comes the part that elevates this from a simple moisturizing routine to a powerful anti-aging ritual. This is the skin activating technique that makes all the difference. After you have applied the thin layer of jelly, take 2 fingers, your index and middle finger, and place them on your cheekbone. Now, gently press and lift the skin upward, holding it for about 5 seconds. Feel that slight tension? That's what you want. Repeat this a few times on both cheeks, along your jawline, and even on your forehead. This simple motion does something incredible. It sends a tiny bioelectric signal from your nerve endings to your brain, essentially telling your skin to activate its natural tightening mechanisms. It's a way of retraining your facial muscles and skin to remember a lifted, firmer position. This concept of using gentle, sustained tension is a cornerstone of many ancient beauty practices. It's one of the reasons why many people who use these techniques maintain a youthful look for longer. You are tapping into your skin's own memory and intelligence. So, what can you realistically expect, and when? Let's break down the results timeline. After the very first night, you will wake up to a noticeable hydrated glow. Your skin will feel supple, soft, and deeply moisturized in a way you haven't felt before. Around day 3, you'll start to see a softening of fine lines, especially around the eyes and mouth. The constant hydration starts to plump up the skin from within, making those surface-level creases less apparent. By the end of the first week, day 7, your skin will feel distinctly firmer to the touch. It will have more bounce and resilience. After 2 weeks, you'll likely see a noticeable lift, particularly around your jawline and cheeks. Your facial contours will appear more defined. And by day 30, with consistent daily use, the cumulative effects are truly remarkable. Friends might start asking what you've been doing. Your skin can look 5, even 10 years younger, smoother, brighter, and visibly renewed. This isn't an overnight miracle, but it is a steady, visible, and deeply rewarding transformation. You deserve to feel beautiful. You deserve to look in the mirror and love the person you see. Not because society tells you to chase youth, but because feeling good in your own skin is your birthright. This simple ritual is about so much more than erasing a few lines. It's an act of self-respect. It's taking a few minutes each day to care for yourself, to honor your body, and to connect with your own natural radiance. This is an act of self-love, of choosing a gentle, nourishing path over a harsh, expensive one. And it's an act of self-renewal, of watching your skin and your confidence blossom again. You are reclaiming your beauty on your own terms. If this one simple, forgotten secret could bring so much life back to your skin, just imagine what the next one will do. This journey is just beginning. Subscribe now and click the notification bell, because you're not just watching another video, you're joining a community, a movement dedicated to rediscovering and transforming our natural beauty from the inside out. Thank you for being here, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.